Since it is tornado season, I thought I would do my speech on the Joplin tornado of 2011. On May 22nd, 2011, little did Bill White know that he would be a hero that day. While he and his family were eating in a local Joplin, Missouri IHOP, the unexpected happened. Bill saw a huge tornado headed their way. He gathered all of the diners that were eating there and the waiters and got to go to the back of the restaurant. White sheltered his wife and his granddaughter by getting on top of them as the tornado came through. As the devastation cleared, Bill White was credited for saving 30 to 40 people in that IHOP that day. On the other side of Joplin, Heather Marsh and her 8-year-old son took shelter in a tiny hole in their bathroom, only covered by a blue blanket. As she heard her house being destroyed, all the rubble covered them. She sent text messages to everyone she knew to tell them where they were. Buried alive, she started hearing neighbors walking and calling out to the survivors. The glow of her cell phone told the rescuers where they were. The day was Sunday, May 22nd, 2011, late afternoon. It all started at 5:34 p.m. and ended around 6:12 p.m., only lasting 30 minutes. It was the largest and most catastrophic to ever hit Joplin, Missouri. It was rated an EF5 tornado, multiple vortex tornado, which means has two or more vortices that circle the center of a larger tornado. This is the multiple vortex tornado. Scientists called it a unique and rare because of the multiple vortex. The width of this tornado was 0.99 miles. The storm grew and strengthened very fast. The winds were up to 200 miles per hour. This is the actual tornado. It traced about 22.1 miles on the ground, struck 1/3 of the city.
Mommy, it's a calling.
In square footage and area. There were 158 direct deaths, 3 indirect deaths. That brings the total to 161 deaths and 1,150 injuries. About 7,500 residents were damaged or destroyed. About 9,200 people were left without homes. Neighborhoods were destroyed. 3 million cubic yards of debris. Tornado struck tons of businesses, including 2 fire stations, 1 high school, 1 medical center, restaurants, and tons of stores. Here's the debris. $12,000 vehicles were thrown several blocks away. City parks, streets, sidewalks, lights, signals, and signs were all rubbish. The cost of the damage was almost $2.8 billion. It was the most costliest tornado in latest history.